Oh man.
Perfect.
I figure since we're in the car, when we do a lot of these videos like the how to disable the four-cylinder mode in the Chevy, and some of these videos that we got millions of views on here on the channel, this is the place to probably do it in another one of the cars, right? So in today's video, do you know what this is? Yeah, that YouTube play button. I've been waiting to get this video out for you guys, or kind of figure out the right time to publish it. And I figured I'd do this unboxing with you guys. Now, full disclosure, you guys have probably seen it on my Instagram or other places. It was such a security threat that TSA had to go into it. And we got this cool little TSA tag in the box. We got the Society Awards thing, and we have the letter from YouTube, which is actually super cool. And then we got this wonderful, beautiful YouTube play button, which you guys can see here. We're going to take it out of the box and out of the bag so you guys can see it. And it looks like this. Look, man, the only reason I have this play button here today, look, you can even see the camera. The only reason why I have this play button here today is literally because of you guys watching these videos and pushing this channel. And I can't thank you guys enough. I really can't. You know, every time I think, you know, maybe I'm done with it, or maybe I'll, you know, move on or do something else. Something else comes along and we end up doing something else. You know, we started out doing nothing but BMWs, from having those, you know, what was it, 7 BMWs at one time parked across the front yard, basically being Beamer man, right? To kind of stepping away from the car stuff for a little bit, and then, you know, Randy saying, hey, how come you're not, you know, focusing on the car stuff? You had the Beamer man channel. And then launching TK's Garage at the beginning of 2020, which who knew that 3 months later we would hit the pandemic. And I was lucky enough to be able to do this for the time that I've done it. And that is literally just a testament to you guys. So here is the play button, as you can see, presented to TK's Garage for passing 100,000 subscribers. Kind of dope, man. Not gonna lie, kind of dope. And the letter that they send. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th? I actually do. I remember people commenting when I was driving the I-3 from Miami all the way to Las Vegas for, I believe it was what, 2019's CES or 2018 CES. It was crazy. You know, it's crazy, man. So this right here, absolutely awesome. So for that, and for me being able to have this wonderful YouTube play button, I want to tell all of you guys thank you, because I wouldn't be where I'm at today without you guys watching these videos. And I think I'm going to be here for a while. You know, I thought about stepping away, or possibly even selling the channel and maybe moving on to something else, but I don't think so. I think we're going to be here for a minute. So, again, I want to say thank you guys very much. And here's to, you know, being in the time that I've got this, we've already gained another 5,000 subscribers. We're over 105,000 subscribers now. So we're well on our way to 200,000. And that's literally just a testament to you guys. So thank you guys very much for, you know, believing in the channel, watching my content, commenting every day, and talking, just, you know, just basically, you know, letting me know what you guys like, what you guys don't like, and what you guys want to see here on TK's Garage. Thank you guys very much, and here's to the next 100.